Hello, hello, hello. My name is Chantsy and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today is a very, very special episode because I want to talk about the transformation that I went from doing my makeup at a windowsill to actually now doing it at a proper desk where I have a proper setup. My entire office here has been transformed just so that I can start creating more videos and just have a good setup so that I feel comfortable and it's like an easy on switch. I can just turn on my camera and start recording. The whole thing was propelled when I was looking for basically a desk behind me that I could prepare a setup. But then I also needed a second desk so that I can sit at, do my makeup, but also have something in the background. So I went online and I found the perfect desk. So it's actually not a desk, it's two nesting console tables. And I thought that was brilliant because this way I can set up the office in a way that I can do my makeup, and then if I want to do fashion videos, I can tuck everything back in and actually have more space in the center of the room. This room used to be a guest room. I have a 3-bedroom bungalow. It's enough house for the three of us, but I thought it was ridiculous that I was thinking about renting a studio to actually create videos, and I was like, you know, I use my guest room / office / dump zone / PR dump zone. It's got to work a little bit harder for me. So I was like, let's get rid of the bed. I'm going to transform this space into a space that is actually bringing me joy, that is actually potentially bringing me income, and it's a space that I feel comfortable in and I can decorate it the way I want, and it's not a bedroom. I see this room as like my dream maker room. If YouTube goes well for me, then it will have all started in these humble beginnings in this room. So back to the giant tiger shopping story. All in all, I was having a really hard time trying to find an affordable table to put behind me. I didn't want to spend like $600 or $1,000 just for a table that was going to be like the backdrop of my YouTube videos. So I remembered that Giant Tiger had furniture on their website because they don't have furniture in the stores necessarily. So I log in, whatever, find the perfect table, and then I was like, hang on a second, I've done a lot of work with Giant Tiger. I hosted a fashion show for them. I did some styling, some fashion videos that I can link about as well. They've been amazing. They've been so supportive. They sponsored our outfits for a lawn bowling tournament. So they've been really great to me, and I just thought this would be amazing if I teamed up with them. So I reached out and I said, here's what I'm proposing. I really want this desk. It's going to propel everything. It's basically the first thing that I needed to get things started. So, wrote the proposal. They agreed. I was so happy. We had a lot of delays because I had to change some stuff in the room. There's more clutter in here that I would have liked to get rid of before recording. The room is not exactly where I want it to be yet. I have a lot of, like I said, decluttering to do with like the office part of the room, but I will get to that at some point in time. But for now, the room is set up in a functional way that I can actually record my fashion videos, I can record my beauty videos, and I can record my guest beauty videos. You would have seen the Beauties and Strategies video that I just posted. That setup is perfect and we had enough room to do it for both of us. So #blessed, it's all because of these nesting tables. So I got a couple things from Giant Tiger. So there was the desk that I bought online. And I also bought my salt lamp online, but I think it's sold out. So that's the thing with their website is they sell out really fast. So whatever you see online, grab it. The website will tell you if it's an item that's available in store or online. So just make sure to snatch it up. I will provide links to the items that I have here if they're still around, or I'll try to find a similar link. So the next thing I got was the rug, and you'll see it in the little pan that I'm doing of my entire setup. I wanted something that would absorb some of the sound because it's just a guest bedroom here. So the house is small, but the walls are thin. We can hear everything. So just for sound quality, it's nice to have the rug. The reason why I got a low pile rug was so that I can slide the console table easily in and out, so that when I'm doing my fashion videos and I want to tuck everything in, I can still do that. And bonus, when I tuck everything in, this room still can be a guest room with a blow-up mattress. Not all is lost. So other than buying the desk and the salt lamp online, I was able to go in store and buy some other accessories just to finish the look of the room. So with my gift card, I bought this cute little light box, you know, Chantsy loves GT. And then they have really nice lamps for the room. Like I love lamp. I love lamp.
Do you really love the lamp, or are you just saying it because you saw it?
I love lamp. I love lamp.
I'm a lamp person. I need to stop buying lamps. I might move this one in my bedroom though, because I kind of really like it. So with my leftover money, I actually went into the beauty aisle, because duh, and I got a little Giant Tiger haul. There are some amazing things here at great prices, and I just wanted to show you guys a few things that I bought, and then at the end I will do a little try on and try on some of the makeup that I bought. So cotton pads, can't get enough. Gum. So these are things that I actually buy at Giant Tiger. I just thought it'd be fun to show you guys. Hello, dry shampoo, Baptiste, my favorite. They have a couple different types. Like they have the plain one, but I like the tropical one. Hand soap, because why not? The next thing is that I ventured in the beauty aisle, and they have some lines that I've never heard of, like Milani. So I picked up a primer that I'll try on today, and I picked up this lipstick, which I love this color. It's like a mauve, purple, pink tone. Very easy to wear. I actually brought this to Costa Rica with me, and then I just had it in my bag and I slapped it on quickly. I loved it. The next thing I picked up, these were a little bit expensive. They were like 12 bucks each. They are truly beautiful creamy lip pencils. The only thing I have to say is that they do, because they're creamy, they do move around a lot, so I need to wear my primer with it. And I always try these nudes. It's pretty, but I think these nude colors just don't work on my skin. It's like I have nothing, and they smell good. But I'm saving like my favorites for last, because I did discover some really wicked makeup. Well, I guess it's time. OMG. These are Wet n Wild Lippies that are absolutely fantastic. They are $6.99 each at Giant Tiger. I couldn't believe it. When I saw these, I was like, what is this? I want all the colors. So I bought 3 colors. These are my staple 3 colors. Orangey red, some kind of mauvey pink, and then just a red. So these are called MegaLast Liquid Catsuit, and I swear to you, these are premium. They go on so well. They last long. It's a matte liquid lip, so if you're used to that, you're gonna love these. And at $6.99, literally buy all the colors. All the colors. I kind of want to go back and buy more. The only thing I have to say is that not all Giant Tigers carry all the inventory, so I went to the Walkley location in Ottawa. That's their headquarters, and it's a bigger store, and their beauty department is also a little bit bigger. I also visited the Hunt Club location in the South End, and they had a bigger beauty department as well, and I saw these there too. So again, can't promise what the inventory is like because things move fast there, so you gotta snatch them when you see them. Also, Wet n Wild, as you know, I love these eyeshadow palettes, and they had them there as well. So these I did not purchase at Giant Tiger, but they do carry them, so make sure you grab them if you see them because they are amazing. Okay, shall we get things started? Let's put some makeup on. Alright, the first thing I want to do is fix my freaking hair. I learned how to do a yoga bun in Costa Rica. Let's see if I can do it on camera. So the trick is, A, don't think about it. B, so you hold the ponytail, do a loop, keep that loop there, and then mush the hair. But again, mush it in a way that kind of brings hair back and forth. And there. That's cute. Got it. How to master the yoga bun. Don't think about the yoga bun. First thing, the Prime Perfection from Milani at Giant Tiger is actually, I'd give it a thumbs up. It works really well. It's a good price and it smells a little bit funny, but then the smell goes away. So I would say it's worth it. Now I wanted to do a little try on of all the lip products I purchased. So let's start with this Milani Pink Lippy. So the color is 62, Matte Blissful it's called. So that's color. So I love these colors. I find they just, it's like exactly like I have no makeup on, but I can just slap a little lip and leave the door. It's matte, it's easy to wear. This one won't move, it won't budge. And even if it smudges a little bit, I don't worry with these kinds of colors because it's almost like a lip tint for me. So I like this one. And it smells nice too. Like sweet vanilla. Okay, let's try on some more lipsticks. So these are called Total Intensity Total Wear Lip Crayon. And they were about 12 bucks, which I do find a little bit expensive, especially for like a drugstore product. So these kind of wind up and it's like a pencil that you sharpen. So these go on like butter. But my lips tend to feather really easily, and as much as I love this and I love the creaminess, I know that it's not going to work for me because I'm going to get it all over the place. So I'll wear it with a lip primer, but other than that, it's gorgeous. I love this color too. I'll try on the other color that I purchased. So I kind of on purpose bought the 3 shades that I always wear. So it's red, orangey red, and like a mauve pink or nude. So I got these colors in these pencils. But I've been dying to try this orangey one. Oh, it's more coral. Oh, interesting. It's actually quite pretty. It looks good on camera, but in person it's a little bit more like pinky coral. I don't hate it though. With a bronze skin, I like it. And this one is like less risky if it bleeds a little bit. So I can swatch them here. So we've got nude, which is pretty but doesn't show up enough on my skin. Then this one is the orangey coral. And then the red one. Not bad. Not sure if they're worth $12 though. Okay, now I'll try on those liquid lips. So if you guys follow me on Instagram, you'll see that I always do good makeup morning. And then I showcase a product that I really love. These liquid lipsticks have graced us with their presence. Okay, so this is Pink Really Hard. I love this color. Totally a color that I'll wear if I don't know what to wear or if I just need a nude. This is my nude for me. That's it there. So it dries matte. Love it. It's already dry. And they wear really well too. Okay. My favorite here. This is Flame of the Game. Flame. I like how the applicator is shaped. It's almost like a triangle, so there's like a nice base to get it on there. It's almost like the shape of a lipstick. I mean, hi, how are ya? Love this. This is like my favorite thing that I found at Giant Tiger. This is my color, the red orange. Love it, love it, love it, love it. I want to buy more. I don't need more, but you know what I mean. Last but not least, this is Missy and Fierce. It is fierce because it's red and I love me a good red lipstick. Okay, this one's a little bit more blue toned. I'm seeing that on the wand. Ooh. Look at the pigment on this. I just swiped it once and it was enough to essentially cover both my lips. Amazing. Look at this. It is amazing. It's so thin. I only applied it once. I swiped it once. It was good enough for both lips. I just did a little correction on the sides. Done. These $6.99 Lippies are a must. I shouldn't even tell you because I just want them all to myself. I'm buying these from now on. I don't care. They just need to come out with more colors because the formula is amazing and the price point is ridiculous. There you have it. That's my little haul from Giant Tiger. I just wanted to take a minute to say thank you so much for Giant Tiger, for all their support. Thank you so much for working with me, for essentially making my dreams come true, because I finally have the setup of my dreams. I feel comfortable. I feel like I got this, that if I have an idea for a video, I can just pop on the camera, hop on and say hello. So thank you so much. You have no idea what this means to me. And for everyone else watching, thank you so much for watching all the way to the end. And I hope that this video helped you guys see what a potential setup could look like if you guys are just getting started. Let me know in the comments down below if you have any questions about a proper setup. As always, I always include the link to my camera equipment. I'll also include any of the links from Giant Tiger of the products that I have, or I'll find some similar products and link those down below as well. If you guys want to keep watching more Chantsy videos, you can do so over here. And if you want to join the Chantsy family, please don't forget to subscribe up here in the circle. Thanks guys, we'll see you in the next video. Bye!